The national anthem, the gloss is written for righties. If you're a lefty, just switch everything like you're used to. We're going to do that so that there are certain things, like the flag is on a certain side so that it corresponds with the flag and it looks correct. Okay. So we have, for righties, the flag is on your non-dominant, your left side, and then for lefties, it's on your non-dominant, your right side. Okay. So righty, I'm going to have my flag on my left. So anything towards the flag, I'm going to go towards the flag on my left. Okay. So, say, can you see? I'm going to look two-handed look towards the flag. My sun is going to come up, and then I'm going to take jellyfish and I'm going to do little wavies for the sunbeams going towards the flag. I'm going to end and squish those. Okay, I'm going to put my flag. I'm going to say, we proudly honor the flag. Same as hail, hail, Mary, or honor. Okay, right here, and then we're going to have the sun go back down, and then we're going to take the sun rays from the flag, and then we're going to go back so that they go back towards the sun. Okay, let's do it from the top. Say, can you see? By the dawn's early light, flag so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming. Whose broad stripes and bright stars? So we have flag. We're going to change it to a flag post S. Okay, and then we do red stripe. I'm going to use that modified C stripe, white stripe. Stars. I'm going to put my stars where they belong, on the left, right? They belong on the left. So I'm going to take stars, two hand claws, make a bunch of stars, and then they're shiny. Okay, through the perilous fight all night, your palm lands, so it's hitting your elbow. And then for war, we're going to go right, left, right. Okay, so that it matches up with the next few lines. So let's go twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. I wish I could say. Okay, so over here, perilous fight on the right. Okay, for ramparts we watched, for the rampart, I'm going to put my left hand or my non-dominant on top, and then I'm going to switch it, put my dominant on top, and then put my non-dominant back on top. Okay, and then for the we watched part, so we're looking over these ramparts to watch the flag. So my non-dominant, since it's on top, I'm going to change to a 2, and we're watching the flag. Okay, because the flag's on my left, right? Where we watch, we're so gallantly streaming, flag. Okay, the flag's still there, and we're gonna big waves, big waves. Okay. Rockets, red glare. I'm gonna start with my dominant side, red. I'm gonna make a little rocket, left, red, rocket, right, red, rocket. Okay, let's take it from the top, and then we'll finish it up. So, say, can you see? By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars, and through the perilous fight over the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare. Okay, so now we're here, rocket's red glare with my right hand or my dominant hand. That's where I'm going to start the bombs bursting in air. So I'm going to do explode on my right, I'm going to explode on the center, and then I'm going to explode on my non-dominant side. Okay, gave proof through the night. So again, all night it was foggy, gave proof through the night. Okay, so gave proof is all night through the our flag was still there. Still here on my non-dominant side, and then we're gonna start the flag. Okay, then we're gonna go back to our flag post. This time when we do the stripes, we're gonna do 4 stripes. So we're gonna have red, stripe, white, stripe, red, stripe, white, stripe. Do your stars, place them. They're shiny. All that is for Oh Say Does That Star Spangled Banner. For Yet Wave, big wave. Big wave. How many waves you do depends on how long the singer is holding the note. Okay. Last line for the land. So we're gonna do ground soil, and then I'm gonna go cross with B5s. Land of the free. Okay, so that it flows. Land of the free. Okay. Home with your dominant. Of that, nicely point to everybody in the audience, and then brave. Okay, so again, all of that is how long the singer holds the notes. So if they're holding it on brave, you are slowly going all the way up. Okay, let's take it from the top, put it all together once. Okay, here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight over the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Okay. Practice, look on YouTube, find different singers performing the national anthem, just so that you can practice. Some people do it really quick and it's like a minute and a half, and then others drag out every single possible note and it's over 2 minutes, just so that you can practice different timings of holding certain notes. If you need to add an extra rocket, you add an extra rocket. If they're really going, add some extra waves, add some extra bombs, hold out your brave. All the things you have some wiggle room with how either repetitive some signs are, or how long you drag out the notes. But practice with different singers on YouTube,